Welcome to this week's Ask Charlie. I am thrilled to be in collaboration for this week's video with lovely Jen at Join. Join Handcrafted are all products that Jen makes herself in her workshop in Suffolk. And this is an eco-friendly essential oil multi-purpose cleaner. Well, I love cleaning and I love cleaning products. And this one is great because it's multi-purpose, and so you can use it in loads of different places. You don't need lots of different products. Those that have done my efficient home course and the cleaning section will know that I'm pretty obsessed with fairy liquid and using that in multiple ways. And this is similar. It's got essential oils in, mainly rosemary, and it smells incredible. And also, if you have skin allergies or, eczema or things like that, this isn't going to irritate it. It's actually a really soothing smell. It's really calming, really good if you've got a headache and you get cleaning. I tell you what, it relieves tension and stress. Just the smell is incredible. So this week I'm going to be showing you how I use this product in different ways as a multi-purpose product, from cleaning surfaces to bathrooms as well, and also throwing in a few other tips and tricks that I have learnt along the way, because I know you guys love my cleaning videos, so I thought that I would give you a little bit of everything and also a bit of behind the scenes at Join as well. Essential oils can be used in so many different ways and they've got so many different benefits. I'm a massive fan of essential oils, and actually if the children are a bit overtired, I just put a little drop of lavender on their pillow and they're sure to get a better night's sleep. I use lavender in my washing machine. I use tea tree oil for all sorts of different things, and so it's really lovely to chat to Jen about how she uses essential oils in her business and all the different benefits. I've discovered that a little of this goes a long way, and talking to Jen about how best to use it. You can use it on a dry cloth or you can use it on a slightly damp cloth. And also she said it's better to spray it onto the cloth, and that way it also goes a lot further too, I've discovered. So I'm just going to give the table a good wipe down. Also find with children it's really important to get the sides of the table because sticky fingers get around there too. Now the children are back at home, I'm really enjoying getting on top of the housework and getting everything in order and having a really good, thorough spring clean. Now I'm just going to give this table a quick dust. And then I'm going to use some of this on my mirror, just brighten that up. Give all of my quick pictures a quick wipe over. It's really important that you don't put spray onto your pictures because it can run down and damage your photo, so never spray direct onto them. wipe over. Such a cheeky little boy. I love having lots of photos everywhere and seeing how the children are growing up, and wonderful memories as well. So you may wonder what I'm doing with a lemon and some bicarb of soda up in the bathroom, but I'm going to show you a hack that I have recently learnt. So I have got a damp scouring sponge, and I'm going to squeeze quite a lot of lemon juice onto my sponge. So good squeeze of lemon juice on there, and then I'm going to sprinkle some bicarb. Now I have not done our shower screen for a little while. There are really bad watermarks, and I thought I would give this a whirl and show you guys how it works a treat. So the bicarb is going to fizz with the lemon juice, and you want it in a little bit of a paste like that, and then rub it on. Because the scour is abrasive, it really just gets those watermarks off quickly. So I'm going to leave that while I clean the bath. So I'm going to use this multi-purpose cleaner for my bath. And I'm going to spray it on directly here. And then I'm going to use a Minky. This is quite an old one, but they last forever. Some hot water on it so it's damp. And the great thing about using natural products is I don't feel like I need to wear rubber gloves. I don't know, it's different. When you're using chemicals, I definitely want to wear gloves for protection. Very important to pay particular attention to your plug hole as well, and make sure that that's clean. And if you can see hair in it, then use one of these to clean your plug hole out. And using this, you don't need to use drain unblockers, because this gets the hair out, does a wonderful job. And to avoid having watermarks, use a dry cloth and just give it all a wipe over to dry it. Now time using a hot, damp cloth to rinse off your bicarb and lemon. And then make sure you dry it. There we are, a gleaming shower screen. I wish you could smell how gorgeous my bathroom's smelling right now. This has got the most beautiful scent, and I'm really thrilled that I have collaborated with Join on making this video for you, and hopefully it's inspired you to look at your cleaning products and the way that you're cleaning your home. And a really good eco multi-purpose cleaner you can use in so many different ways, and of course some lemon. I'm thrilled with how the lemon and bicarb soda on that scouring sponge has brought my shower screen up. It is gleaming and really effortless. There was no elbow grease, which is even better. I want to thank you all so much for tuning in and watching, wishing you a fabulous weekend and happy spring cleaning. The birds are tweeting, the sun is shining, and it is just the perfect time to give our home a really good blitz after the long winter and having more bodies at home than normal as well.